in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your microphone volume on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, go ahead and select system. And then on the right side, select sound. And then if you scroll down underneath input, select your microphone device from the drop-down menu here. And then you can adjust the input volume on this page by dragging the scroll bar to the left or right, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.